Hello, my friends. My name is Jeszeck, and I was thrilled to be asked to be a guest artist on Saturday's Perspectives in Pouring with Sheldon Briscoe and Britta Clayton. So thank you, Sheldon and Britta, for the opportunity. And now let's get to work. Today I'm going to be doing a traveling straight pour, I think, with Master's Touch Sky Blue, Prism Pour by ColourArte, and Egyptian Blue, Prism Pour Ember Fire, and then I made a combination of Artist Loft Deep Yellow and Prism Pour's Solar Flare, and White by Artist Loft. I also have standing by some Vermillion by Artist Loft, which I thought could be fun to have as a pop of color in there. So I may add some of that, but sparingly. So I'm going to fill up 2 cups, and then I'm going to pour them out in an unusual way, something I haven't tried before. So we shall see how that works. I think I'll start with a white. And I'm going to make more layers than I normally do. I will speed this up after I get 1 layer in. I think I'll throw some of that orange in now. Or no, I'll wait till the next go round between those 2. Okay, let me speed this process up. Now, I thought it might be fun to try to pour both cups at the same time and do kind of a thing. So that's what I'm going to try. I've never tried this before. Well, let's give it a go. I think I'll make little spouts. To this side. Here we go. Wish me luck. I'm kind of holding my breath. But it's looking kind of cool, I think. Start working my... Wonder if I can do this. That's a little trickier. Oh, look at that orange is finally making an appearance. I'm not as coordinated with my right hand. I'm very left-handed. Okay. Oh, looks like a big blue brain. I like that gold. It's too bad. I'm probably gonna lose that. Maybe I do have more of that orange. I could spread that around as a flow extender. I was thinking it might even be fun to have some orange negative space. Crazy? That's pretty nutty. I'll pour it out over here though. I like to experiment on the fly a lot because, you know, I got to keep it interesting for me as well as you. So I generally go in with a plan of some kind, but it often changes. All right, let's move this puppy around. I don't think I can live with that little tiny bit of as negative space, but I don't know. We'll see. Let me pull it back and see what it looks like. Probably not, but for now I'll leave it. Let's go over here. I do love the orange and the blue together side by side on a canvas because you know, the orange and blue are complementary colors and they really pop. They're placed side by side. Maybe I will keep it. Kind of like it. Wish I had some over here, but now I've used up my orange. Look at the white there. That's about the only place it showed up. It looks like a lightning bolt. I kind of like that. I'm debating whether to quickly mix up some orange and add it over here. I think I might like that. I'm going to, my friends. I'm going to pause here, quickly mix up some orange and and get a third area of negative space. Hang on. Okay, I've mixed up some more orange and I'm going to put some over here. I've got to do something with this. I don't like that big area there. It just looks funny. So I'm going to tilt till at least this part reaches the edge. And figure out what's going to happen with that. Maybe it's going away, or a good part of it. Okay, that's better. Now, some orange over here. Go up into this part. That's too bad. It doesn't look as organic as these other areas, but it's okay. Actually, I don't mind the way that looks. Do you see the difference between that orange edge and over here? For example, I think I'm gonna pour some more on here. Maybe I'll add some there. Got a lot of paint on the surface, so I've got to get more of it off. Let's see. I had way too much paint in these cups. I don't know. I've done that before. I've way over-calculated the amount I needed. I know better because I poured on these 16-inch rounds many times. Maybe I'll add another orangey area over here. Hope I don't regret that. Oops, I want to get rid of those blue. Those dots of blue there. Go away. There we go. Maybe I'll send some of that blue off the canvas too. Okay. I think I like it. Yeah, I think I'm going to stop there, my friends. I'm going to bring you in for a closer look. I have mixed feelings about that area right there. It's so different than the rest, except I like the way it looks, and so I don't want to run it off necessarily. I'm very happy with the addition of orange there. I like that yellowy gold. I wish I had more of that elsewhere in the painting, but I don't know. I rather like it. Should I bring this over to the edge though? I think maybe I should. Took my gloves off. Let's just take a stick and I'm going to make that go meet the edge. Can I do this without? Everything's moving except that. Go on. Off you go. Yeah, I have to say goodbye to that. And now I think I'm going to stop. I'm a little concerned about the amount of paint I have on the canvas, but I'm happy with the overall composition, and I don't want to lose any more of my orange, so I am really going to stop. I'll let this dry and I'll show you on a future video how it dried. Okay, my friends, thanks for sticking with me. And now let's head over to Britta's channel.